You might be familiar with this: tight spaces that your cordless screwdriver can't reach properly, or you have to drill around a corner. We got something that solves this problem. Hello and welcome to a new episode of Werkstattwissen. Sometimes, when you are working on drawers, desks, or planters, you can't properly use a cordless screwdriver. Maybe you need to drill another hole around the corner, but you don't know how to do it. Uwe is here today and you've brought us a solution.
Yes, hello, everyone. I brought our angular gear today. Laura already mentioned it. Cordless screwdrivers often don't fit into tight spaces, and that's what our angular gear is for.
Okay, it looks very sophisticated. How does it work?
The angular gear works like this. It has a hexagon 1/4-inch drive that you can either use with a bit holder or directly with a cordless screwdriver. Screw it down and then you are all set to drill with your angular gear. This is our special short metal drill bit. You can easily access tight spaces and pre-drill your hole. Then take your screw, place it on the bit, position the angular gear in the working area. And then screw in your screw.
How does it work?
So, I have prepared something, a cross-sectioned angular gear. Here you can see the drive with the hexagon receptacle, on which the cordless screwdriver is placed, housed in a metal guide. 2 ball bearings are located at the end. Then there is the gear, which is supported by another ball bearing at the output side.
Okay, and so when the cordless screwdriver rotates, the whole thing rotates.
Exactly, the force is basically redirected by 90 degrees. So the installation height is very low and I can get into any tight space.
Cool device. You've already put it here. There's kind of a set and there's the single product.
Yes, we offer 2 versions of our angular gear. The single product and a set in a box, with a hand screwdriver and corresponding bits, our so-called drawer repair set.
Definitely a cool device. Feel free to leave us a comment. Maybe you could have needed the angular gear in one or the other situation. And we are looking forward to the next episode of Werkstattwissen.
Yes, until next time.